Hey guys, what's going on? It's Giuseppe. Thank you so much for checking in with me today. And what we are going to be doing today is building a website for a new client. It's going to be a one-pager website. It's going to be for a local trades client, and we are going to make it happen. Now, if you're new here, my name is Giuseppe. I run a marketing agency. I run an advertising agency. I run a website building agency. I've worked in Facebook ads, conversion rate optimization, and project management for over a decade. And now what I'm doing is just bringing this to you so that way you can save that decade that I spent and just start your own business or update your business. And what I'm going to do is show you all of the tips, tricks, shortcuts, everything you need to know so that way you can start making money today, because if it ends in a Y, it's a great day to make some money. Anyways, thank you so much for joining with me today. Let's get started. Now, I am very excited because I was able to come up with some pretty cool prompts, and I have a pretty cool new client. So I'm going to share everything that I'm going to do with this. We're going to do almost a live build. I will cut this down a little bit just to like save time, save some headache, but everything will be here for you. And at the end, I'll give you a special keyword. And if you comment the keyword in the comment section, I will forward you the entire prompt so that way you can do this all by yourself, completely free of charge. It's on me, guys. I'm just happy to have you come and hang out with me and try this stuff out for yourself, because I think if you're willing to do the work, you're willing to make some money. And I love someone who can do the work and make some money. Now, this is the idea. We're going to build a full website. It's going to be a WordPress website. This is because we want the client to be able to go in there and change stuff, do whatever they want themselves. I don't want to have to deal with that every time. It's just easier to, hey, you want to go change a photo, whatever. I'm indifferent. So we're going to build it locally. We're going to test it. So the steps we're going to do is research. I have a big prompt, and then we're going to test it. So without further ado, we'll see how this goes. I don't think it's going to be a very difficult thing to do, but it will be fun nonetheless. So I'm going to create a new folder first. So let's get into the right folder. So I do all of my work here inside something called Video Drive. Now this is just an external hard drive. I just go CD volumes external drive. This is great. I'm going to go mkdir, and I'm going to call this paint website. Oh, I'm going to call it Koala Paint because it's Koala Paint. Great. And I'm going to CD Koala Paint. Now I'm in Koala Paint. This is great. It's easy. Now we are going to work our way into Claude. So we're going to go Claude, dangerously skip permissions. So it's just going to save us a little bit of time. It's going to get Claude in there. And I'm also going to show you a little bit of keyword research just to make sure you're cooking. Now I'm going to say, so I want you to build a WordPress website for me. I have a large prompt that I will give you to help you. I want you to use agents and master agents and orchestrators where necessary to help you. This is going to a one-page website. I'm going to switch this to plan mode, which is right here. And let's kick it off into plan mode. And now I'm going to, as you can see right here, this is the prompt I have here. Big one-shot website prompt, about 37 pages. It's going to be pretty chill. So I'm going to copy all of that, and I'm going to go back to the terminal. Terminal now has this new thing where it's asking questions, which I really love. So I'm just going to paste it in the message. I'll go enter here. You don't need to install it. Submit answers. Here we go. Here's the prompt. I'm going to paste it right in there. Great. Now we're cooking. Easy peasy. I've received your comprehensive website builder prompt. What type of business service or website is this for? This is going to be, now I also have some photos and information of the, right. So let's just do a little bit of research here. I do have some of the information from the client. So I'm going to gather that. It's a little private. I don't think super private. I'm just going to paste in this whole thing there. And that will explain it. Submit answers. So he gave me a large thing about all of his pricing and how he goes through things. So I just pasted that there into the plan mode, because I wanted that to just work. And sometimes you just have a little bit of faith on this stuff. Now, he also shared with me photos. So I'm going to download these photos into his folder. So specific Okanagan cities, towns, dedicated landing pages. Yes, I'll list them. Major cities only. It's going to be one general page. Do you have brand colors already, or should I choose from professional painting colors? I have colors. Let me go through here now. Great. Main goal. I guess we're going to do answers. So now I'm downloading his stuff. I am going to download his stuff into his own, right. What are your brand colors? Right. I need to save that. Let's check what his brand colors are, because So what I do have is an email from him, and I'm just going to show you what I do to grab the brand colors. Now I have a plugin right here. It's called just color picker. So pick color from page. I'm going to grab this one, pick color from page, that one. Oh, that's pretty basic stuff. So I'll give them the hex codes. Hex codes are going to be, I'll come right here, and you can see here, the other one's just Fs. So I'm going to grab this. I'm going to say this is his green, and then he uses just F, 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 F. Great. Now we have that going. I've filled that in. Perfect. Let's create a conversation pen. Using research to build this complete WordPress website. This is great. Oh, I'm also, guys, and this is the whole thing. It worked out really well. It's been pretty heckin' awesome, and you can do the same thing really easily. It's a full painting thing, full menu. Everything is anchored everywhere it needs to be. We got a gallery. It's got hover animations. This is obviously his real logo, and everything works. It's a great little one pager. I have my information down there. It has full sitemap. You can see here, it has a full back end. I have RankMath added, as well as fastest cache and what's the last one? RankMath, fast cache, and one other one, which I think is also pretty cool and important, but I can't remember it right now for the life of me. It is contact form 7. So anyways, that's it. It's developed locally. Now all I got to do is upload it to his hosting and it's done. Anyways, if you found this helpful and you enjoyed it, so there's a website that you're trying to build, just ask for the WordPress one-shot prompt in the comments, and I will send you the WordPress one-shot prompt. And you can just start making websites for people around you. $500 at a time, easy one pager. It's good work. Everyone's going to appreciate it, and you will look like a champion, and you should. You're doing good work. Anyways, if you watch to the end, you're an absolute champion. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye. So we are on to the next stage, and we are officially logged into the back end of the new website. We're logged in the back end of this WordPress, all with a couple click prompts. Pretty pumped. So let's have a gander at what this looks like and dig into it. There are a couple steps left, and I'm happy to show you those. So let's do this. I'm going to pull this open. I'm going to bring this over here. I'm going to bring this over here, shrink it down because it does have next steps for me, which you can see, right? So my next steps are activate the custom theme. So step 1, activate custom theme. How do we do that? You click themes, you should see 3 items. Look for koala coats painting. So let's go appearance themes, activate, done. Next step, you should see install required plugins. We're going to go to plugins, add new, and we're going to go get all of them at the same time. So it wants contact form 7, RankMath SEO. So let's go contact form 7, install now, activate. We're going to go RankMath SEO just because I like it. I've always really liked RankMath. I'm just going to install that without doing much else. Great. Not going to activate it yet. What else do we need here? WP fastest cache, classic. If you don't spell it perfectly, it doesn't show up. So don't be disheartened if it's not there immediately. And we're going to go smush. I don't really like smush, so we're going to skip it. Now we have a couple other steps. So we're going to go into the left sidebar, contact forms, which is this one. Contact forms, and then into the default contact form 1. We're going to copy and paste this all the way down to the submit. Go. Then the next is go to the mail tab. And we're going to go in field. We're going to go to enter your real image in the to field. And then we'll go me too, just so I can see it. Great. And then we're going to click save. Great. And now let's see how this is. Optional up. There's a couple other things we have to do here, but in the meantime, we can have a gander. Wow, that looks great. Contact form not found. That's super fair. These are all just linked here. Great. Now we just need to add a logo, which is right here. So we'll go appearance, customize, just like this. Site identity, koala painting. We'll go Okanagan. Great. We're going to add the site icon. So a little bit of digging to do here. Let's see, where is he? Did I put it somewhere else? Oh, it's at the top. That's why. Let's open up images. That's going to be let's add some information there. Koala painting company. Great. Crop image. Great. Logo. We're going to do the same thing. This one you can see here is 512 by 512. It obviously makes a lot more sense, and we'll do that too. Great. We'll click publish on there. And now what? So let's do a little bit of, I'm not super impressed with all of this, but it is pretty awesome for a one shot. We don't have his phone number yet, so we do have a little bit of work to do here. I'll try submitting a test. That sounds great. So I'm just going to say there are a couple things I want to fix up. Let's make sure I want the CTA in the menu to have white writing instead of black, so it's easier to read. I'll go inspect, and I'm just going to grab this right here, and I'm just going to click this, and this is it. So I'm just going to copy this whole thing, copy element, and then we go back into here. This is the element, which is great. Oh, that's a cool little animation. That's awesome. And I'm going to say, then he needs the contact form shortcode, say shortcode as well. And let's just get this going through. It's a solid website. It does have space for posts, even though they don't quite exist yet. And what I am also going to do is set up a Google Analytics. I'm not going to invite the customer to it just because I didn't really pay for it, but I am going to set this up so that way I can dig through it myself and give them some, I need to know what's happening. So I want to know what's happening. So let's just set up a quick thing here. Koala, and next, painting, not painting. Next, home and garden, small. Next, it's generate leads. Those are great. It's going to be on the web. It is going to be, I think, what is the URL that he gave me? There is some private stuff here, so I can't bring you in on everything, guys, but I can bring you in on a lot of this. Have a look at where we're at, but I think it's just like I think it's Qualicode's painting. Let's see where it is. Domains. Premium website hosting. I think he's created a website. Anyways, there is a little bit of stuff to do there, but this is going to be fine for now. I'm pretty sure this stream is everything we're going to need. So I'm going to just copy all of this and I'm going to bring it over here. Is there anything else you'd like to do? Yes. I want you to use agent to install analytics properly. Here is all of the information that you need. Great. We'll let that happen. And then the posts are happening and then this is happening. Let's see how this goes. Doesn't look like white after the fact. On the hover state. That's fine. I think we do need another color and I do want this styled up. So I'm going to get this form styled up and I'll show you how to do that as well. It's going to install analytics. And like I said, just from here, it's going to be really simple to get this added to the hosting, but the design is kind of like the more painful side of this whole thing. Okay. I want you to update the email in the footer and I want you to add some cool styling to the form. Not sure how we would do that, but I do want it to look good. And I will need a separate /thank you page created, which the form would send people to upon completion. Great. This stuff kind of has to be worked out. That's fine. This all links up here. Cool. Photos chilling. Process is simple. Work speaks for itself. Browser portfolio. Don't think you really got this right in terms of, we'll have to edit those. But for the most part, it kind of has everything we need. I think I just want to do a quick kind of to Canada down here. So if we go Kelowna residential, Kelowna painting companies, Kelowna painting contractors, we'll grab these. These are great. So he wins, we win. So let's have a chat. This is creating the thank you page. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add some of these keywords in here. Oh yeah, and I need a compact. Damn it. No, we're going to grab these. We'll copy them. 12 keywords copied. Yeah. So this page went and did some SEO research. So it's compacting, which is pretty wild that it built an entire thing and built the entire website. And now it's just compacting. So I think it just misunderstood the exterior. It's not a before and after. I think it, oh, nice. And look at that. Oh, hard to read that button though. So we have some button to fix. We need to add a sitemap and we need to, well, we won't be able to test this installation yet anyways. So let's go to plugins. Let's go to RankMath. Yeah, I think we might actually be able to connect this anyways. This is the one. I'll just use this. It's an old website, but it checks out. Right. Great. Just going to see if we can get through all of this. I am a human. Link the account. We'll link it to there. Okay. I'm going to add this natural. Oh, it's great. Just do easy for now. Small business, logo, save and continue. Now we're going to connect it now just for fun, but we'll have to redo this when we update everything. See if it's in here. Oh, not going to be in Search Console yet. Be there, I guess, either. Okay, there, and then it's going to be there. I don't think it needs to do that. Great, return to dashboard. That's done. In the meantime, the SEO has been updated, which is great. Analytics is started. Okay, also going to need you. So we're also going to add a sitemap to the bottom. Hyperlinks to my own site, which is great. So we have this going, which is great. Now the problem is the media. We need to upload the images because the images are not really working out for us. So this is great. And I'm going to find these images. This is styling. Okay, now we need to make sure that these images are properly set up. So I need to add this to the website properly. We'll need to reorganize these images because some of them are mislabeled, right? Like nothing in here. And I think we do need something in here, which is solid. Like the images should be in there. I think what I'll do is I will just add those manually, or yeah, right now only the logo. Now, can I open up those images? Rename. So we're just going to rename these. So there's a bunch of internal images. So we're going to go residential painting after 1, 2. So right now I just need to rename these images. Okay. I think I've renamed. So what I did was I had to go through. The images weren't super well explained. So I'm just going to go in here. So I have to delete all of these. Okay, so I'm just going to say, okay, it looks like it got stuck for a little bit here trying to read images. I don't want to get stuck reading images. So plan, don't get stuck reading images. We will need, so what I'm saying here is for this plan, don't get stuck reading images. What I want you to do is create an excellent plan for the one-pager WordPress website. Docker set up locally, so you can use that to launch and test. I also want you to think about which agents we have and what agents you can create that would help with writing, designing, and building the website to optimize it for ease of use and readability and conversion rate optimization. Also want you to think about the plugins that we need to use for this plan. We will need Contact Form 7 plugin and RankMath, I think, at a minimum. Use the Gina MCP for research, search competitors, build an amazing plan.